Today, billionaire Gautam Adani said that it wouldn't have been morally correct to go ahead with the flagship follow-on public offer or FPO. The statement comes a day after the Adani Board called off the share sale. In a video address, Adani said, and I quote, "Considering the volatility of the market yesterday, our board felt that it would not have been morally correct to proceed with the FPO. For me, the interest of the investors is paramount and everything else is secondary. Hence, to insulate them from any potential financial losses, we have withdrawn the FPO. This decision will not have any impact on our existing operation," Gautam Adani said.
After a fully subscribed FPO, yesterday's decision of his withdrawal would have surprised many. But considering the volatility of the market seen yesterday, our board strongly felt that it would not have been morally correct to proceed with the FPO. In my humble journey of over 4 decades as an entrepreneur, I have been blessed to receive overwhelming support from all stakeholders and particularly the investor community. It is important for me to confess that whatever little I have achieved in life is due to the faith and trust reposed by them. I owe all my success to them. For me, the interest of my investor is paramount and everything is secondary. Hence, to insulate the investors from potential losses, we have withdrawn the FPO. This decision will not have any impact on our existing operations as well as our future plans. We will continue to focus on timely executions and delivery of projects.
Yesterday, the Adani Group held a meeting and decided to call off the follow-on public offer or FPO of equity shares aggregating up to 20,000 crore rupees, which was fully subscribed. The Adani Board, in a statement, said, and I again quote, "Given the unprecedented situation and the current market volatility, the company aims to protect the interest of its investing community by returning the FPO proceeds and withdraws the completed transaction."
The fundamentals of our company are very strong. Our balance sheet is healthy and assets robust. Our EBITDA levels and cash flows have been very strong, and we have an impeccable track record of fulfilling our debt obligations. We will continue to focus on a long-term value creation, and growth will be managed by our internal accruals. Once the market stabilizes, we will review our capital market strategy. We have a strong focus on ESG, and every business of ours will continue to create value in a responsible way. The strongest validation of our governance principles comes from several international partnerships we have built across our different entities. I take this opportunity to thank our investment bankers, institutional investors, and shareholders from within and outside the country for giving unflinching support to the FPO. Despite the volatility in the stock over the last week, your faith and belief in the company, its business, and its management has been extremely reassuring and humbling for all of us. We are very confident that we will continue to get support in the future also.
Adani Group's shares dropped following a report by US short seller firm Hindenburg accusing the firm of stock manipulation, improper use of tax havens, and money laundering. Hindenburg has also raised concerns about the group's mounting debts. Adani Group has since issued multiple statements criticizing the report, which it termed as baseless and malicious. However, Hindenburg responded by saying fraud cannot be obfuscated by nationalism or a bloated response that ignores every key allegation we raised.